In this video, I will show you how you can send a message on OkCupid if you have matched with someone and want to start a conversation. First, open the app and tap on Messages. That's the icon right in the middle bottom of your screen. You will see different tabs like All, Your Turn, or New Matches. These help you keep track of who you've messaged and who's messaged you. Pick a conversation you want to open. I'm going to tap on one under All. Now you can type your message. I will go with something simple like, "Hi, how are you?" And once you're happy with what you've written, just tap Send. And that's it. Your message is on its way. You can keep the convo going right there when they reply. Super simple and quick to use. And that's how you send a message on OkCupid.